What's going on, family? How you living? It's your boy Craniac. Today we're gonna be doing a studio tour. Now, I'm not complete, so I don't want you guys to judge me. I still have a lot that I need to do in the studio, but you know, I got up and I was like, you know what? It's time to stop procrastinating, and it's time to just show you guys the thing. This is pretty much the place where I stream. This is the place where I DJ, all that type of stuff, practice, like game if I want to. I don't have any game consoles in here, but like if I wanted, I do got game consoles. They're in another room, but like if I wanted to move them in here, like I could. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get straight into the studio tour / reveal. So we're gonna start off with this corner right here. This corner is like pretty much boring. This is where I keep like all of my bags, different things like that. You know, I'll take one of these bags, I'll put like, you know, I don't want to spoil anything. I have a smaller bag where I'll just put my laptop because they usually already provide gig. This cable management is boo-boo. Don't judge me. You can't see it when you on this end, but like you come over here, take a peek around that corner. This is just pretty much a tripod, a DJI. This is like a gimbal on top of a tripod. This is my calendar right here. I believe it is very important to have a calendar. I haven't filled a lot of stuff out for this month, but definitely for the next month, I'm getting my life together, which is another reason why I'm filming this video. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? We getting our lives together around here. I highly recommend having some sort of physical, like it's cool on your phone to have a calendar, but like having a physical calendar is gonna make all the difference. So now let's make our way over here to the left. This is pretty much like my YouTube background / just like storage, all that. This serves multiple purposes. So as you can see, I got my baby Groot right here. This is a favorite amongst everybody. Every time somebody comes over to my house or like I'm on live, their eyes are drawn to this Groot right here, this baby Groot. I mean, who doesn't like Groot? Groot's so cute. Then I got this little Spider-Man figurine right here. That's actually a replica. I pay way too much, more than I would like to admit for that, and it ended up being fake. Also have these Yamaha speakers over here. I don't know the model of them. I think they're the HS8s. If they're not, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, the actual versions. These things thump, and I have them on this Ultimate acoustics, like foam stuff. This room is not acoustically treated by any means. I mean, you do what you gotta do. I got a Selena vinyl right here, and Whitney Houston, Kanye West, College Dropout. I am still adding to this setup overall. This setup is not complete, guys. I'm gonna do like a vinyl wall or something. I'm still deciding, so comment below what you guys want me to do with this wall right here. And then I got a couple more pops. As you can see, Biz Markie, RIP Biz Markie.
Oh baby, you got what I need.
RIP Biz Markie. He was also a DJ as well. And then we got Aaliyah right here, RIP Aaliyah as well. And then we got my baby. We got the All I Want for Christmas is You. Shouts out Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey, hit your boy up. Yeah, I've had a crush on you since I was a kid, since you made We Belong Together. Mariah Carey, we belong together. Like, hit your boy up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, forget Nick Cannon, forget that billionaire, you know what I'm saying? I'm right here. Craniac is right here, Mariah Carey. Anytime. All right, let me get back to the setup. So we got Mariah Carey. We got some earplugs right here. I don't know why these are sitting on top of here, but you got to protect your hearing at all costs, especially when you're in the field that I'm in, which is like DJing, music, all that type of stuff. Then you got a GoPro Hero 9. I don't really use that thing. This is one of my favorite parts about the setup over here. These are the Govee. I don't know what they're called. I'll link it somewhere on the screen. These are the Govee. It's like a light bar. They change different colors. There's an app, the Govee Home app. So like what I'll do is I have the bar lights right here. You can name it whatever you want. You can change the color. You can activate it to music. So like if I wanted to do like the rolling sound, this one's called rolling. So it's like, excuse my burp. I just drank some sparkling water, but this one's really cool. La la la, bow, 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 bow. Then you got this one right here. This one's really cool. It's like a rainbow effect. This one's called the piano keys. Here, let me turn the lights off so you guys can see that a little bit better. Boom, boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Hey, boom, boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. Hey, boom, boom. Let me chill out, because you know my mixtape too fire. So I don't wanna have them call the fire department out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Dad jokes. Do. All right, we're gonna turn that back to normal. All right, regular color. And right here I have the Canon SL3. I use this camera to record a lot of videos. It's a really good camera, guys. I recommend it. Canon, you know, they make good cameras. And then I have this bad boy right here. This is my iRig case, which basically goes to, this is seated inside there. I'll show you guys that in a second. I'm not gonna go over what's inside those boxes because it is pure chaos, cords, all that stuff. I have a Jackery, which is basically like a portable battery, backup power supply. Rodecaster Go, podcast on the way, y'all, stay tuned. And then a lot of people ask me, how do you stream your audio for DJing over to your cell phone? I use this right here, the Focusrite. If you guys want me to make a video about that, I'll go into more detail, but this is what I use, the Focusrite. I don't like it. That's why I don't recommend recommend it to people. I have a weird way of having my audio set up. I don't know, but I don't like it. And then to the left, I have another backpack. So this to me, besides the background, which we're gonna come back to here in a second, this is one of the most exciting parts of my setup. As you guys can see right here, I have my DJ controller is what it's called. For those of you who don't DJ or know what, you know, anything about DJing, I love this thing. So I have a skin on it. Basically, like it just, you know, it has the pink color, which kind of matches the color of my logo. As you guys can tell, like throughout, I have like the blue and kind of black and pink theme, all that type of stuff. So I have that, and then I have a MacBook Pro. This one's a 2023 MacBook Pro Max. I love that. I love that laptop. The laptop is amazing. And then like I got another custom skin on there. Don't mind my background. It's a little messy over there. But anyways, I also have my Shure SM7B. Guys, this microphone is amazing. It's not only amazing for podcasts, it's an industry standard. Like this microphone it's absolutely amazing. If you know, you know. And then I have it connected to this LED boom arm right here. So that's cool. We're gonna come around here to the front of the setup. As you can see, your boy's cable management is pretty good.
This is fine.
The entire setup is not complete, and that's why I'm showing you guys this, because, you know, I just want to give you guys an update for the summer. The entire setup is not complete at all, but, you know, I'm very proud of this. The cable management, there's some things like obviously, you know, I can move around, and that's like the cables that you see that are loose, for example, like that one is temporary. This goes to the audio interface, and like I said, I'm changing that audio interface because I don't like it. So that's temporary, but the stuff that's not temporary is, you know, managed pretty well, which if you stand at an average height, you don't even notice. And this is like an overview of the studio. Now you guys, you guys have probably been wondering, look at this right here. So this is actually new to my setup. So for anybody that follows me over on the TikTok, you guys know that my background used to look entirely different. I'll put it right here on the screen of how my background used to look. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of almost sort of like the old background better, but that's only because I haven't quite figured out what to do with this background yet. If you guys have any suggestions on what I could do, what I should do, then definitely comment them below. But as you can see, I have a Craniac picture up there, something with my logo, brought it from the old setup. And then I added this TV right here. So this is a 55-inch TCL TV with a Govee LED light strip around the back of it. And then as you can see, I have these string lights right here. I might take off those string lights if I'm being honest with you. They look a little too crowded for me. And then I have more Govee light bars right here. I love these Govee light bars. As you can see, I have Govee all around my house, like literally all around my house. I love Govee. They're a great brand. Like, so Govee, you know, if you want to sponsor a brother, then you know what I'm saying. And I have another little random controller down there. That's like my travel size controller, like practice, all that type of stuff. That's pretty much it for this wall. And I have a chair over here in the corner. Guys, this chair is seeing better days. This chair is about ready to give up. More vinyl right there. That vinyl's just for decoration. And then if you take a look here behind the TV, as you can see, I have the LED light strips, all that stuff. I have a wireless HDMI transmitter behind there. And I kind of, you know what I'm saying? The wires don't look the best when you go behind there because I'll just wrap them around the mount, but you know, everything works. The wire for the light bar, the wire for pretty much the power of the TV, everything. It's all like mounted, and it goes through the grass and then it comes down and ends right there. So I try my best with it. I'm not done, like I said, with this setup. Let me take a step back and give you guys another overview of just everything all together. The studio minus these ring lights. Like these ring lights are, I gotta upgrade those too. I mean, we're gonna talk about it, but here's everything. This is the main tripod that I use. You know, I put my phone in here and then like I stream, all that type of stuff. So I love this thing. It's really amazing. It's durable, all that type of stuff, and it's very versatile. As you can see right here, I do have a pair of headphones, the V-Modus. Love those things. And I have like this little attachment that I got off Amazon. And for me, when I'm standing up, guys, these are a must. And you have like one of these standing desks, because that's what this is. This is like a standing electronic desk. Like I can rise it and lower it, all that type of stuff. I love this desk. I got this for a specific purpose actually. So when I'm streaming, I can lower it all the way down if I've been like doing a 24-hour stream or something like that, and I can pull my chair up to the desk, and then like I can sit underneath it, or I can just stand with it like when I'm DJing. I built this setup to be like comfortable, economical. Is that the word I'm looking for? Economical, ergonomical? I don't know. I built it to work for me pretty much. But anyways, back to this mat. These mats are a must. This is an anti-fatigue mat. A lot of people use it in the kitchen when they're cooking, but if you stand up on your feet in any capacity, this thing is super comfortable. As you guys can see, it's like real cushiony and it's good for the feet. Don't mind my unmatching socks. You know, I got one Puma sock on and one unbranded sock. I don't even know what that is. But anyways, these things are amazing, especially this one. I will link it below exactly which mat this is. These things, they don't recommend that you bend them, even though I just bent it, because it does mess with the cushion. I did that once on one of my other mats, and then it ended up, yeah, it didn't work no more. So another cool thing about this desk, has a drawer. Got like, you know, extra equipment in there, all that type of stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it for in here. A lot of you guys were curious. You were asking me pretty much like, you know, what does your setup consist of? What do you have in your setup? All that type of stuff. You know, I've been too afraid to announce it because, like, I don't know. I've been procrastinating. I'm gonna stop procrastinating, y'all. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Shouts out the Craniac fam, the best damn fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, family, all that good stuff. And all right, now we going for good. Or now we gone for real this time. Peace.